we are glad to have today at HiStone booth Mr. Farhan Muhyiddin, who is the retail lead for EMEA at Intel Corporation. Actually, we are also glad because we are now a member of your premium POS validation program. Could you tell us what the added value it is meaning for a vendor?
First of all, thank you for having me. It's so lovely to see all these products built on Intel. Several different variations of point of sale and kiosk. Talking very specifically on the premium aspect, this is basically a specification that we put together to ensure that when products are brought from China to the European region, that it has a certain level of standard that we can bring it to the retailers. So we do a comprehensive list of testing in terms of, the noise, the pollution, all of that kind of stuff, and in terms of the performance. Right? And it's a program that originated in China, but we think, it's going to be really relevant for customers in this region who will be looking to work with you.
Oh, thank you. That means that any vendor who is carrying this label of excellence has to offer high performance.
Absolutely. And performance is the name of the game, right? I mean, if you look at how generation over generation, how we've been improving, most of our skills, I would say, if you compare it with the 13th generation to the 14th generation, and now to the Core Alphas, the performance jump is massive, right? So the kind of workloads that you would have done in the past, now you can do it in a much lower scale, and more importantly, it is power consumption. We focus a lot on sustainability, because that's a big pain point to retailers. And retailers like to know that they are operating at a much lower performance level. And the savings, right, in terms of the total cost of ownership as well as the performance per watt is significantly high, right? So which means you're getting a much better system as you move. And this is important for, I would say, retailers, right, who want to do refresh of their self-checkout stations or their point of sale stations, because the savings are going to be massive.
That's an excellent news we need to convey to all our partners and the retailer about the consumption, because they are all worried about that. But that means also that your IT support must be also performant as well as your features, right?
Yeah, I mean, when we look at the embedded side of our skills, we always provide a 10-year life cycle.
10 years.
10 years, right?
That's excellent. That's excellent.
Yeah, so I mean, that's the advantage of not going to consumer grade CPUs and going with embedded. And we always give sufficient notice before we switch or end of life any of those skills.
That's good. Mr. Farhan, it was a pleasure to having you, and we are always glad to be part of the Intel Premium POS family. Thank you very much.
We're so happy to see what you've done here, and we look forward to continuing our partnership.
Thank you very much. Thank you.